Hello, I'm a little table of an old grandma. They are my favorite books. Vanessa of Virginia by Susan Sellers and Morphars by Albert Dunn. It is a cute cup and it has a wonderful black lid. And she is an old grandma. Ouch! They are hitting my wine glasses. I have knife, fork, and many fragrant candles and elaborate dishes with napkins. She is the housekeeper of these two crazy people. Hello everyone, welcome to my table tour. The teapot is made of fabulous china. Now, I need to pour tea for my grandma. Mmm, very good. There are some fragrant flowers in this fancy vase. Oh my god, the chandelier is too exaggerating, and the antique which can play CD is amazing. Moreover, the decoration is adorable. What? It's heavy! Alright, thank you for listening my itinerary. I'm a sewing machine. I can manufacture a lot of clothes for my sweet designer. What is she doing? Aaron, what? The laptop on the desk that is next to me is my best friend. Ah! She was hit by our designer. She's poor. She cannot extract. We are the greatest assistants for our designer. Another exaggerating dining table. I have spoons. I have fork. Tableware with napkins. Wine glasses. Done. Sounds good. Me too. So loud. Oh, I also have bowls. Dishes. Romantic candles. It's scorching. Water bottles. And a beautiful potted plant. Good afternoon, I'm a pianist. Now I perform my favorite song for you guys. Come on! I show my pen colors and highlighters to you. I'm going to compose my work. I am a fabulous calligrapher. My handwriting is flawless. My good partner, Little Pig, he is very interesting, right? My plant can make me relax. How marvelous creations they are! I can't forget my important brush holder. Fantastic! My best planner, Chubby Panda. She is cute and adorable. I need to read picture book for her before she falls asleep. We like to play cup staking. It's fun and wonderful. Okay, I need to go to school. Bye bye, my chubby panda. I'm just a table. People like to put a lot of tea set on me. I have no idea what they are doing. I can make women beautiful. When they go out, they need to sit in front of me and paint their faces. I really love my cabinet above me because he always talks to me. Comfortable. Hello, my name is Yi. I like to watching TV sitting on the sofa. I have a dog and a crocodile. They can bite you. There are beautiful flowers in the vase. And special teapot, you need to rotate its lid to open it. My table is very unusual because it is soft. This. I love this. Can you draw?
Thank you for your listening.